Hey guys,
Hey. Hello.
it's hot.
It's a beautiful day out.
The birds are hot.
And they look so silly whenever they're wet.
What are they doing, Kingston?
They're getting wet
Yeah,
by
but
the And they're bathing.
why do they open their wings? They lift their wings up like that.
Because they're sweaty. And to clean themselves. Yeah.
Well, they don't have armpits. They have wing pits. Haha. See that one over there?
They look so This one looks so cute whenever it's wet. Big Bite, the big guy right there, the gray one, it looks so cute whenever it's wet.
You think they are cooling off?
Yep, yep. I'm cooling off by getting like a teeny bit sprinkles on them.
It's like Brooklyn Park,
I know.
the sprinkler at Brooklyn Park.
I know, right? That one looks like
Look
a
how
different-
funny.
Grandpa, what happened to his face up there? It's like all red.
Sometimes they're going through a molt. When they lose some feathers, their new feathers are softer and they have a better, they look a lot better. That bird might have been born in like February, so that's why it's going through a molt. That's why there's so many feathers on the floor inside.
And out
Hey, get out of there.
What? I'm sweating.
I don't want you to get wet.
Look at my hair. Is my hair nice? Does my hair look nice?
There's still a whole bunch. Don't touch that, Kingston.
It's really nice being behind it.
There's still a lot of them inside. All right. We don't want to make a video too long.
It's probably gonna be like a 1-minute video.
Have anything to say?
See you later. Let's just give my grandpa a lot of likes.
What
and
do I-
subscribers.
Okay, what do I say when I'm ready and done?
Over and out. Over and out.